Hello, dosto. Welcome to our third episode.
Okay, so Sarah,
Yes,
I have questions today.
that's
I was prepped.
crazy. Bro came prepared.
Yeah, because we're gonna make this like a quick, like just a brief catch up because we wanna be uploading semi-regularly. So I just wanted to
Consistent
know,
queen.
since हमारी पहली podcast upload हो चुकी है, what's it like being famous? Out of the whole process, like the recording the podcast, the making the doodles and editing, what would you say has been your favorite part for the first two episodes? Because we just finished doodling the second one. So
I think I'm tied between recording the podcast and making the doodles. I think recording the podcast definitely takes the cake from me because I love to not shut up. And I know you don't love to shut up either. So that's like a crazy freak matching. Why am I being put on the spot, by the way? तुम क्यों नहीं बता रही?
this सवाल तैयार करके लाई हूँ. And I have a question
That's
for you to
true.
ask me as well, and then we're golden. You guys haven't seen the drawings yet because we just finished the episode 2 ka drawings
I
session,
think we'll
and
upload episode 2 before we upload episode 3.
no, definitely. Like you have seen them at this point, like in the future when this comes out, you've seen them. But like every single
Uh,
and it's like you ate me up so bad. We're never doing drawing episodes again, by the way. Like I hate being eaten up every single time. How do you do that? So what the
I'm out whimsying
but
you
this
now too. I'm sorry.
your favorite part is the yapping.
What about
And
you? Is yours not the yapping?
bro, I thought yours would be the drawing and then I'd get to say yapping.
You
But
can,
I don't know.
two things can be true. You can say yapping.
So guys, the thing about doing a project, any project with Sarah, is ke it's like you have a type triple A person on your team, ठीक है? So if you say कि अच्छा मैं ये कर लूंगी and you know you're like an hour late to it, सारा करके बैठी हुई होगी, just like oh I did that, I did your work and I did mine too, and like what are we doing next?
But okay. While we're on this topic, Isa literally makes spreadsheets for everything, and then she makes drop down lists and progress trackers for every task, and she's like super nerdy about it. I can't believe I'm getting this rep when you are out type triple Aing me.
You, Sarah, on the Google Sheets doc is gonna rewatch our podcast. This is for the drawings valley, episode 1 and 2. She's gonna rewatch the whole thing, minute by minute ki summary. This is what's happening, keywords for that minute, who's drawing it, and what is she drawing. And she's gonna do this for all 24 minutes of the episode. And she's gonna be like, yeah, okay, I did this. Like, what do you want? So I can't out triple A you.
Wait,
And I'm not
this is not what the episode is about, by the way. Like,
it's a behind the scenes. It's an audience getting to know us.
our literally the four friends that we have on each side, they are the audience.
I love our fans.
I love our fans so bad. Guys, if you want to buy merch,
I was gonna say we need to encourage a parasocial relationship if we need to sell t-shirts.
we need to like have stage beef and everything.
I don't think we need to stage beef at this point.
We don't need
I
to
think
stage
we can
beef.
just and then I
Yeah,
can
is
tell
that
you,
share with the class? Interesting, fun thing that happened to you this week.
bro, did you watch the Hank Green video about like life on Mars?
No, the last Hank Green video I watched was about the bean.
Oh, I love the Bean video. I've been really into the Vlog Brothers article, like the resurgence. I don't know
Yeah,
why.
you
I
look
guess
like it.
oh, so how have you been coping with all of the DMs that you've gotten from the response on the book club?
Guys, please join our book club.
Wanna spoil the readings? Do you want to spoil the readings? Like what? Because
Okay,
the things
I
that you're
have a few
discussing.
in mind. I'm really excited to discuss these readings. I think we should start with Karachi La Jamia did a piece for Decolonial Hacker about development projects in Karachi,
What is
and
Karachi? Yeah, शुरू से बताओ.
I'm pulling up their website so that I can
And
get this right. It's an
I
anti-institution based in Karachi seeking to politicize art education and collectively explore new radical pedagogies and art practices. It is a nomadic space moving outside the institution to occupy public spaces in the city as sites of study, disrupting imperial modes of knowledge production and circulation. So there's a lot of like pedagogical information.
राटेदार English.
Huh? But sorry. Oh, speaking of pedagogical information and the environment, I have a book. that I would like to talk about. Everybody should read this. ये बिल्कुल भी planned नहीं था,
Oh,
but it's
that's so
really.
crazy. It wasn't planned. She would have told me. She can't keep it to herself.
I would have fully not shut up about it. But I think everybody should read. Everybody should read eco-pedagogues in general. But the work that Karachi Lajamia does is very like specific to Karachi and like or development projects in Pakistan and water and militarization of cities and stuff. And this long form sort of piece that they did addresses a lot of these things. I read it last like एक साल पहले या कुछ, and I liked it, and I want to talk about it with people. So maybe we could start with that.
What's the वो जो मैंने तुम्हें कुत्ता बच्चा भेजा था वो किस बारे में था? The urban resource वाला. It was also development and displacement. I finished that, but it was
I
so
did not.
good.
I did not.
It's
I didn't even start reading it. I printed it. That was about displacement and development projects, right? And
housing development
resettlement.
it was very cool because it was thoroughly researched and it was basically like जहाँ मुझे याद है Katti Pahari Lyari Expressway and like these major development projects in Karachi and how जब वो बन रहे थे तो जिन लोगों के घर थे या जिनसे you know like government ने जमीन खरीदनी थी because of the Land Acquisition Act they were allowed to buy any piece of land and just unhouse anyone living there but then they had to pay that according to market value जो थी. So in that they've actually mentioned कि depending on the amount of construction whether it was being leased or not उन्होंने किस rate पे per like वो
Square foot.
what कितना how much the government paid that and it's so crazy because उसमें ये भी था कि I think there were tiers. So with the first one being I think RCC like refined cement concrete के जो होते हैं like पक्के घर and then there being like a slab वाले घर and then just like कपड़े या टिन की छत वाले and then according to that उनको फिर how much they got
compensation varied. यार वही
every
ये जो
as well they have the numbers there Sara it's so cool they have the data it's crazy
it's ये जो हमने जब पुलिट्जर वाला प्रोजेक्ट किया था रीसेटलमेंट के बारे में गुज्जर नाला की वो बुलडोजिंग और इविक्शन के बाद उसका भी उसमें भी मैंने यही चीज ऑब्जर्व की थी. What I heard from people a lot was that resettlement फिर फंसी हुई थी like in bureaucratic muddle and there was a lot of protest.
They said stuff like कि जो check like लिखा हुआ है एक तो काफी लोगों के बैंक अकाउंट नहीं बने हुए होंगे उनके शनाख्ती कार्ड नहीं है सेंसस में counted there's multiple families in one
that's what
and then check लिखते हुए there's a typo गलत account number लिखा हुआ है and because of these bureaucratic just irresponsible गलतियां लोगों को पैसे नहीं मिल रहे and then they were like अच्छा 15,000 या कुछ like it was a very nominal fee and it was completely like the fact कि पहले कहीं rent करने के लिए you have to provide a down payment. So they were just giving अच्छा 3 महीनों not including the fact that you would have to pay a down payment. So you know
ये यही सीन है. I'm excited to read that. मैंने अभी तक नहीं पढ़ा है. We could read that too with the reading circle. Or like a section of that at least, right? Like a chapter of that maybe. Too.
Yeah, I can highlight a passage and we can read that. I think we could do that.
And like also like one thing that I really wanted us to read was this series. I mentioned this in episode 2 as well. It's this series of essays about the Lahore Orange Line called Lahore in Motion, and every chapter is a station of the Orange Line. So we could read.
That's so cool.
I know, and it's like a pretty like diverse group of people, not in a sense कि पाकिस्तानी नहीं क्योंकि सब पाकिस्तानी है I think, लेकिन diverse in terms of academic background and what they do. उस sense में diverse group of people writing about each station. Sorry?
English में
English में है, I'm sorry. But also about the thing that you were saying कि शनाख्ती कार्ड नहीं बने हुए, बैंक अकाउंट नहीं खुले हुए. A lot of these issues that stem from just informal existence in the city. Karachi Urban Lab explores more of this, I'm so sure.
When I remember you were telling me about the bureaucratic masla or housing when you were talking about the research that you did for that, I was thinking about कि अगर bank account बनाना है तो if you're a woman that's already hard
Yeah.
Like, you know,
हस्बैंड का लाओ, ये पेपर लाओ, वो पेपर लाओ,
husband का, बाप का, भाई का, like
सबका,
किसी का
हाँ,
भी लाओ. You know, who is your assigned man, and
बिजली
then
का बिल
prove
लाओ.
to them. Yeah.
A lot of these,
मतलब,
a lot of squatter settlements also like don't might not have formal access to electricity either. So then what? Then what happens?
सारा द रिलोकेशन, अब इट्स लाइक कि अगर उनसे यहाँ से उनका घर खरीदा है, गवर्नमेंट ने कहा है कि ठीक है, वी आर गिविंग यू लैंड इन दिस अदर रैंडम अनडेवलप्ड नॉट मेंट फॉर रेजिडेंशियल लिविंग प्लेस, जिसके लिए ना गैस, ना बिजली, ना पानी, कुछ भी नहीं प्लान,
कुछ भी
जिस तरह
नहीं है.
रेजिडेंशियल होता है. सो आप बस लोगों को यहाँ से उठा के, जहाँ उनके मतलब जाने का, स्कूल पढ़ने का, वो यू लाइक uprooting them, throwing them there, and they were literally, and likha hua tha, and it was heartbreaking to read, because they're like, you're setting them back generations. Girls can't go to school anymore. Jo ja rahi
That's
thi, you pulled them out of school. You're setting them back generations.
and
It's
this
crazy.
this especially disproportionately impacts like people from minority communities जो कि फिर उनके पास like they have to go to a place where there's other people from the same community so they feel welcome in the city as well. So a lot of people just have to pull their kids out of school.
यार ये जो कह रही हो ना कि disproportionately, because that's literally what this booklet starts off with, कि they just target people who can't fight back, and that's
I'm
literally like the
excited to
open.
read it. I think
You'd
Arif
love it.
Hassanabad Urban Resource Center is my second go-to source for these things, and thank you for sending me that.
This इसकी PDF is on वो Urban Resource Center पे
Yeah,
page. Yeah.
इसमें also all of these are in the archives of Arif Hassan's website as well. I
I
know what I
know. I like having the book so much.
I know, I'm
It's
so
so
jealous.
fun.
I'm so jealous
I
of
know
you.
you are.
When I went to Islamabad, Isa and I went band for band on our notes on Arif Hassan's work. And मैंने एक नोटबुक बनाई हुई है उनके काम को एनोटेट करने के लिए क्योंकि मेरे पास कोई हार्ड कॉपी नहीं है.
I downloaded more of his books because when I finished that, I was like, "Acha, I need to be reading something else." So
He's
Arif Hassan की क्या तो
incredible.
like a history of Quran.
Probably.
Is that it?
Yeah, I think he has
So
something
वो
like
मैं,
that. Also,
yeah, I'm
I
gonna read
think
that, and then I'm gonna.
everybody should read Why Karachi Doesn't Have a Drainage System or something along those lines by him because it helped me understand the river and Nala system so well. Like he explains it so he breaks it down really easy. तो वो भी सबको पढ़ना चाहिए. Methinks. Wow, we have so many readings, guys. Join our reading circle.
Maybe so for more of this.
Yeah. In a private setting where we don't shut up even more. अभी तो हम लिहाज कर रहे हैं.
Perceive me as cringe. So
Yeah,
you hate
hope
me.
that helps.
Oh, that helps.
Hope that helps.
I love how we're both looking at ourselves in the gallery view. I love how I know that.
He's so bad. Clocked me, clocked me. Zoom is telling us we're poor now. I think it's a sign.
Leave that in. That's so
40
good.
मिनट से बकवास कर रहे हैं इसका मतलब हम 30
Bro,
मिनट से.
10 मिनट भी ढंग के नहीं हुए.
Okay, bye
Okay.
friends.
Bye bye.
Bye. तुमने ज्यादा स्वैगी तरीके से क्यों किया? I didn't like that.